Hi there. My name is Michael Jones. Welcome to the next video in this series. Investor and Crypto Videos for Beginners. Today, I am going to explain the basics of the different types of investments available. Hopefully, this will give you a fundamental understanding of the exciting investment options that you can explore. Investing money that you save allows it to grow over time. If you don't invest, you are missing out on opportunities to grow your net worth. What investment options are available? 1. Cash. This is a deposit into a bank or a cash account that earns interest. 2. Bonds. These are debt securities issued by corporations or governments. Bonds finance new corporate or government projects. You receive interest on an annual, semi-annual, quarterly or monthly basis. Bonds are a safer form of investment, as returns are predictable and steady. 3. Stocks. This is a share or percentage ownership in a corporation. You may receive dividends when the company declares profits. You own a share in the company. Your share will increase if the company is profitable, or decrease if the company is not profitable. Many external factors can affect the price of a stock over time. Stocks are long-term investments in the growth of a company. Stocks are a riskier form of investment, as the price can be volatile. Internal and external factors influence the price of the stock. Returns are not guaranteed. 4. Property. This is an investment in residential or commercial real estate. You can either purchase property with cash, or a combination of cash and bank financing. You can earn a rental return by placing a tenant in the property. You will also benefit as the property increases in value. Hopefully be sold for a profit in future. 5. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. These allow you to purchase a collection of cash, bond, stock or property investments. They are various investments sold collectively in a portfolio, fund or index. 6. Cryptocurrency. This is a very exciting new and growing investment option. You can buy digital currencies, such as Bitcoin. The currencies are based on underlying blockchain technology. See my Bitcoin video for further information. Crypto investments are currently in their infancy, and can be very volatile. Therefore, caution is needed. Which investment option should I choose? Ideally, you should be invested across all investment types, based on your personal circumstances and risk appetite. This is known as diversification. Diversification is important, as it ensures that you do not place all your eggs in one investment basket. Different investments perform differently, under ever-changing market conditions. I hope that this has been a good introduction to the different investment options available.